So how does the lack of real-time updates from the field affect how quickly you can make decisions?
In the case of an incident or something, what have to happen, of what's happened, it's very important to know where my people are. So which person or which machine can I choose to collaborate on that task or that incident which occurs. So it makes it very easy for the planner to give the task to the right person who is nearby and do the job as quickly as possible.
So how can real-time updates help the people in the field with their daily operation?
It, it helps the people outside, but more important, it helps the planner. So when he has a clear overview what's happening, which progress is made on the different routes, he can tell people to collaborate and to do it in the right time.